tired of sounding nervous, even when you know the words?
Ever open your mouth in English and suddenly forget everything except hello? Yeah, me too.
Guilty. Like your brain goes, error 404, words not found.
Exactly. Hey everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Ben.
Welcome to The Better Pattern, where we think better, speak better, and live better. Today, 10 must-know English phrases you can use right now in real life. We'll show them in mini dialogues so you see how they actually work. Ben, kick us off with number 1.
Sure. Number 1. Could you help me, please?
Classic polite one. Let's role play. Excuse me, could you help me please? I'm looking for the nearest cafe.
Of course. It's just down the street. Turn left at the lights.
See? Super simple, super polite. Adds please makes you sound nice, not demanding.
Number 2. I'd like to.
Great for ordering or asking.
I'd like to order a coffee, please.
Coming right up. Hot or iced?
Hot, thanks. Boom. Natural and confident.
Way better than just pointing and saying that one.
Number 3. No worries or no problem.
Love this one for it's okay. Oops, sorry, I bumped your bag.
No worries at all. Happens all the time.
Feels so chill, right? Natives say it constantly.
Number 4. Sounds good. Want to grab lunch later?
Sounds good. 1 p.m.?
Perfect. Short, positive, keeps things moving.
Number 5. How's it going?
Casual, how are you? Upgrade. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good. You?
Not bad. Busy day, though.
Way more natural than stiff, how are you?
Number 6. I appreciate it, or thanks a lot.
For when someone helps. Thanks for staying late. I appreciate it.
No problem. Happy to help.
Number 7. Excuse me, to get attention or pass by.
Super useful in crowds. Excuse me, sorry, coming through.
Or, excuse me, do you have the time?
Number 8. Let me know.
For future plans. I'm thinking of watching a movie tonight. Let me know if you want to join.
Sounds fun. I'll let you know.
And if you don't, just say, wait, say that again?
Yeah. Last one. Number 10. Take care or see you later.
Nice goodbye.
All right. Gotta run. Take care.
You too. See you later.
So there you go. 10 everyday phrases. Practice 1 or 2 today in the mirror or with a friend. You'll sound way more natural.
And less like a robot ordering coffee.
If you're stuck using the same old words,
Let's break it. Start small. Say one today.
think better, speak better, live better.
Hit subscribe for more, like if this helped, and comment. Which phrase will you try first? We read them.
See you next time.
Bye.